May the 4th be with you, celebrating Star Wars Day. May 4th. It's a day for fans around the world to celebrate the galaxy far, far away. But why May 4th? It all started with a clever pun. May the Force be with you sounds a lot like May the 4th be with you. This sparked a global phenomenon. Fans embraced the date, turning it into a day to celebrate everything Star Wars. From movie marathons to costume parties, Star Wars Day unites fans of all ages. It's a day to geek out, share your love for the saga, and feel the Force. May the 4th be with you.
A lightsaber duel's epic clashes of light and destiny. One of the most thrilling aspects of Star Wars is undoubtedly the lightsaber duels. These aren't just sword fights, they're ballets of light and energy, filled with suspense and dramatic tension. Every clash of blades is a battle of wills, a struggle between the light and dark sides of the Force. Who can forget the first time they witnessed the blue blade of Luke Skywalker clashing against the crimson glow of Darth Vader's lightsaber? These battles are visually stunning, each move choreographed to perfection. But beyond the spectacle, lightsaber duels are deeply symbolic. They represent the internal conflicts within each character, the struggle to find balance and choose their path. From the epic duel between Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader in A New Hope, to the agile acrobatics of Yoda in Attack of the Clones, each lightsaber battle is unique and unforgettable. These iconic clashes have inspired generations of fans, fueling our imaginations and making us wish we could wield a lightsaber ourselves. The next time you watch a lightsaber duel, pay close attention to the choreography, the emotion, and the symbolism. You'll discover that there's much more to these battles than meets the eye.
The fan theories that bind the galaxy together. The Star Wars universe is vast and complex, filled with intriguing characters, mysterious planets, and unexplained events. This richness has given rise to countless fan theories, some plausible, some outlandish, but all a testament to the passion of the fan base. Fan theories are a way for us to engage with the story on a deeper level, to fill in the gaps, and to explore alternative possibilities. Some theories become so popular that they gain a life of their own, sparking endless debates and discussions online and at conventions. Remember the Darth Jar Jar theory? This theory suggested that the seemingly clumsy Jar Jar Binks was actually a powerful Sith Lord pulling the strings from behind the scenes. While ultimately debunked, it sparked a global conversation and showcased the creativity of the Star Wars fandom. From the identity of Rey's parents to the true nature of Snoke's power, fan theories keep the Star Wars universe alive and thriving between movies and TV shows. So the next time you're watching a Star Wars film, keep your eyes peeled and your mind open. You never know what clues you might find that could lead to your own epic fan theory.
Star Wars Day isn't just about watching the movies at home. It's a global celebration with events and activities for fans of all ages.
From official conventions to local meetups, there's something for everyone to enjoy on May the 4th.
Many movie theaters host special screenings of the Star Wars saga, often with costume contests and giveaways.
Theme parks like Disneyland and Disney World go all out with Star Wars-themed parades, character meet and greets, and special merchandise.
Local comic book stores and libraries often host Star Wars trivia nights, costume contests, and book readings for younger fans.
And of course, social media explodes with Star Wars content on May 4th, with fans sharing their favorite memories, fan art, and tributes to the saga.
Whether you're looking for a grand adventure or a more intimate gathering, Star Wars Day offers a chance to connect with fellow fans and celebrate your shared love for this iconic franchise.
So put on your best Wookiee roar, grab your lightsaber, and join the galaxy-wide celebration.
Star Wars is more than just a movie franchise. It's a cultural phenomenon that has captivated generations of fans. But what is it about this galaxy far, far away that resonates so deeply with us? Perhaps it's the epic battle between good and evil, the timeless themes of hope and redemption, or the unforgettable characters who have become like family to us. Star Wars teaches us about courage, friendship, and the importance of fighting for what we believe in. It's a story that reminds us that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope, and that even the smallest among us can make a difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more Star Wars content, like this video, and share your favorite Star Wars moments in the comments below. May the Force be with you always.